So I just wanted to show how I create palettes here in the ColorSurprise folder. Under definitions is a palettes folder, and you can right click, say create ColorSurprise palette definition, and right now I'm on, I think, Shimmering Stone. So just name it Shimmering Stone. Over here add 16 colors because they're all 16. And then I'm looking at the palette that was sent to me, so I can use the color picker pretty easily and grab the colors. This is by far the easiest method, I think, because we do need the data for individual palettes. You'll want to reference them and have some way of, I think you said you wanted people to be able to unlock them after watching videos, things like that. So this way you can, this way you have in Unity they're called scriptable objects, and that's what those are. And this way you have some way of putting properties on palettes themselves. So the idea is that we'll have IDs on them. I didn't assign IDs yet, but they all do. And they should have unique IDs, and then we can store IDs in a player's account information. So, you know, as a very simple list. So 1, 5, 9, 16, 24, whatever. It's a small amount of data, and that way we can store the list of palettes that they own, or whatever the case may be. Once you've added a palette, they still need to be referenced by the palette manager, and this is the bootstrap scene, and you can see that's missing a bunch of the palettes. And let's see, I should be able to just drag, if I lock this, I should be able to just drag them all in. I don't know if it's going to add them though. Yeah, I think it adds. Let's see, it's not going to replace it, so let's clear it out. Just drag them in here. Okay, I was probably going to add a script because I'd like to have them all in alphabetical order so it's easier. It looks like it did put them in alphabetical doing it this method, but this is, oh, one of the things when you're adding those palettes with the color picker, it's leaving the colors alpha is 0, and I have a script that'll just run through and fix all the alphas. There, they're fixed. So that way I can just add a bunch of palettes, and then I can just use the script that I added to fix their alphas without having to click more, because, you know, it's basically add a new palette, give it a name, Rose Garden, add 16 colors to it, and then click the color picker and go back and forth and just repeat. So I wanted to try to make it fast since this was a pretty big list of palettes to begin with. Now if I go into the game, the list of palettes here, if I swipe, it'll move. So I think I swiped left. The reason it jumps is because I think that one's at the end. Yeah, I think I probably have it backwards because I swiped to the right. Yeah, that's backwards. Swipe. Let me think. Yeah, I would think you'd swipe left to go to the right. So I think it's currently set when you swipe right, it goes to the right. That's not right, I don't think. Anyways, this is how it works. So on a phone, you would just swipe, and once you get to the last one, new palette oh right, that's the one. Yeah, I just added, didn't give it a name. Once you get to the end right now, it circles back around. It doesn't circle back around. I'd like to do that, is make it a proper carousel, but see, it spins back to the first one. And then if I swipe to the left, which would be going to the last one, you'll see that it kind of dashes over there. And I think making this, you know, an infinite carousel where the next one that comes in is, it doesn't spin to the first one, it just kind of goes to the next one as if it was already there, but I didn't add the code to support that, because really this is, yeah, I mean there's a technical reason, but it's this was really simple, and then to add the code to do carousel would be more complicated. Serene shadows. Okay, anyways, that's it.